Have you ever wondered how the Chinese Zodiac came about? There are two popular versions of the cat and the rat. One story says the rat tricked the cat by pushing the cat into a river. The second story tells how the rat was too selfish to wake up the cat for the race in the morning. But the version of the story I'm going to focus on is that the rat tricks and pushes the cat into the river during the big race. The cat and the rat were good friends. Then one day the Jade Emperor, the heavenly god in China, wanted to find a way to keep track of time. He requested all the animals to participate in a swimming race. The first 12 animals that finish the race will be selected as a symbol of the passing year. When the animals heard about the race, they all prepared. The cat and the rat knew that they were the smallest animals among the participants and were very poor swimmers. So they decided to ask the ox to help them. The ox was willing to help and let them ride on his back across the river. When the rat saw the emperor at the end of the river, he decided he should get first place. So he tricked the cat by telling her there are tasty fish in the river. When the cat looked over into the river to see the tasty fish, the rat hurried and pushed the cat off the ox's back. The ox looked back when he heard the splash in the river, but he didn't see the cat. Instead, he saw the others animals catching up with them. The ox hurried toward the emperor, but before the ox could cross the finish line first, the rat jumped off the ox's head. The rat came in first place and was named the first year of the Zodiac. The poor ox was also tricked by the rat into second place and named the second year of the Zodiac. Far ahead of the cat in the river came the tiger, roaring across the finish line as third year of the Zodiac. Then the rabbit arrived to claim the fourth year for herself. Then in the clouds above appeared the dragon. Since he was much too large to swim across the river, the emperor had told him to race through the sky. The dragon claimed the fifth year. After a while, the snake slid across the finish line and was number 6. Later that day, the horse thundered across the finish line in 7th place. A few moments later, the monkey and the goat weren't far behind, around with the goat being the monkey by a hair. Before long, the rooster stumbled in as the 10th arrival. Finally, the dog finished and was given the 11th year. Unfortunately, the pig rushed across the finish line, beating the cat and winning the last year left in the Zodiac. In the end, the cat was tired and wet, having swum across the river on her own and didn't receive a year in the Zodiac. She felt so betrayed by the rats that from then on, continuing until now, the cat and the rat had hated each other.